Which of the following cannot be made by using Williamson synthesis? Four options are given here. Which of the compound cannot be prepared by using Williamson synthesis? Okay, we can check one by one. Methoxybenzene. Methoxybenzene. What is methoxybenzene? Benzene, then OCH3. Methoxybenzene, also called anisole. Is it possible to make this compound from Williamson synthesis? Yes, we can make this compound. Starting compound, take any alkoxide or aryl oxides, okay, ONA, sodium phenoxide, plus alkyl halide CH3 Br, okay, O minus Na plus CH3 plus Br negative, then Na and Br, NaBr. What is remaining? Benzene OCH3. So this product can be prepared. So question is, which of the following cannot be prepared? Okay, and we can move to the third option. So always try to find out simple options and check it. Okay, that is then you can save your time. Methyl tertiary butyl ether. Methyl means CH3. O, tertiary butyl. Tertiary butyl. C, CH3, CH3, CH3. See, methyl. Methyl. And what is this carbon? CH3, CH3, CH3. Only C, no CH. C. So what is this carbon? Tertiary carbon. So this is commonly called tertiary. Total how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Including tertiary carbon, total 4. So tertiary butyl. Okay, and this group is ether. So hello students, one minute. This is a common name, okay, not IUPAC. Common name. Tertiary butyl or related to common name. So you can expect common and IUPAC. So this is a product. Is it possible to make this product by using Williamson synthesis? Take any alkyl halide and okay, alkyl halide is only primary alkyl halide is possible, CH3Br. Okay, so CH3Br, and take a tertiary methoxide, ONA. Yes, then Na plus Br, and this is nucleophile, not base, nucleophile. Okay, already you learned this question in previous video. Please check it. Okay, listen, Williamson synthesis already I explained in previous revision video. Please check it. Okay, Na plus Br negative form NaBr, and this reaction is possible because alkyl halide is primary alkyl halide. So primary alkyl halide case, Williamson synthesis possible because no steric effect. And one more thing, SN2 mechanism, the backside attack of nucleophile to CH3 is positive, CH3 is plus. Okay, so normal Williamson synthesis possible here, then NaBr, so we'll get the product. So third compound can also be prepared by using this method. And now B and D, I think D is easy to write, so we can check D. Okay, D, ditertiary butyl ether. Ditertiary butyl ether. Tertiary, 2 groups. So what is ditertiary? Okay, ditertiary. Listen, C, CH3, one tertiary. Okay, still it is either CH3. See the compound name, ditertiary butyl ether. Yes, correct. One tertiary. So ditertiary. Total how many carbon in each tertiary group? 4. Butyl ether. Okay, students, please understand this is a common name. Okay, not IUPAC name. Okay, common name, not IUPAC. And ether means oxygen. is it possible to make this ether by using Williamson synthesis? We can check. For getting this ether, no doubt starting methoxide should what? Tertiary. Correct? Because two tertiary group is coming. So starting methoxide is tertiary plus second part also tertiary. So make alkyl halide also tertiary. Cl. But this reaction is not possible because this product is not possible because alkyl halide is tertiary alkyl halide. You know, tertiary alkyl halide instead of either alkene is the product. The reason is very clear. O negative Na plus up to here normally act as nucleophile, but in the presence of tertiary it act like a strong base. Why it act like a strong base? Because backside attack of this group to tertiary carbon is not possible due to the steric effect, due to the bulky group. Normal nucleophilic SN2 mechanism is not possible. So instead of substitution, elimination reaction will take place. Okay, and for elimination case, this part act like a strong base, and this part CH3C, CH3, CH3O minus abstract one of the hydrogen from here, one of the hydrogen from alkyl halide. Then what is the product? CH3C, CH3, CH3. One of the hydrogen CH2, it becomes CH2 hydrogen plus this part. Okay, we can do like that. CH3C, this part CH3C, CH3, CH3O, then hydrogen from here form alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Okay, CH3, take one of the hydrogen, then H and CH3O minus form alcohol plus Na and Cl, NaCl. And what is remaining, students? This part is remaining. Correct? CH3C, CH3 double bond CH2. So instead of either, alkene is the main product. So we cannot prepare. See, alkene is the main product, not either. So this product is not possible. This product is not possible. So which cannot be prepared by using Williamson synthesis? Option D. So option D is cannot be prepared, cannot be made using Williamson synthesis. So option D cannot be synthesized. So no need to check option B, only one option is correct. So option B also can be prepared by using Williamson. Just try this compound. Okay, clear?